Is Light GPT a great way to earn some extra cash online, or is it a site you should stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this Light GPT review and tutorial, I will give you an inside look and a full guided tour so you can see exactly what it offers, and I will show you both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect and can decide if it will be worth your time or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online. I have now logged into LiteGPT, and it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming at first, especially because you sometimes have pop-up ads that come out of nowhere. So the user friendliness could definitely be better in my opinion, but that doesn't mean it can't be worth it and that you can't earn. So let me reveal right away that you can actually earn on LiteGPT. It doesn't necessarily mean it is the best way to do it, but you will find out throughout this review and tutorial. So let's just get started by showing around exactly what it offers so you will know how to use it and find out if it's even worth your time. So from the name, it sounds like LiteGPT is a get paid to site, a GPT site, but a lot of the aspects are actually closer to what I would call a PTC site, a pay to click site. And you can see one of the ways to earn here is exactly that, that is to click ads. So you click and you can see how much you get. You have to wait 10 seconds. A new screen pops up here and you get to see this ad or a new website basically. And then once you have waited for 10 seconds, it first needs to load completely. Then you will be able to get the earnings into your account. The problem I just encountered when I then tried to go back to LiteGPT is that there was a pop-up asking me to allow browser notifications, and I had to do that if I was not a robot. Like, I don't like that way of trying to be forced to subscribe to notifications. And then when I tried to close that screen down or so, then I got this warning from my virus program instead. So that's of course a little bit worrying, but that's what I said about these different ads that pops up. You just need to be prepared that might happen, but I'll just try to get back into LiteGPT now. I am now back inside LiteGPT, and you can see over here I have now gone to the offer walls, and if you have used GPT sites before, you will know that many of them have these offer walls where you can find all kind of things you can do. It can be to sign up for free trials, some things you have to pay for, sometimes you need to play a game, all these things. And there are quite a few offer walls inside LiteGPT, as you can see here. And some of them definitely gives good rewards, but then they also require more effort. And this does look like a very good one. You just have to be aware that you actually have to deposit 200 euros or 200 pounds to get this. And this exact offer I have actually seen on many other get paid to sites with a significantly higher reward. So that is something that you need to be aware of, in my opinion, that the offer walls on LiteGPT does not really give as high rewards as you can get for the same offers on many other get paid to sites. But if you just look carefully, make sure to read all the conditions, then you definitely can find some nice offers here. They also have something called Asia Mag, where you have to go to Bing or Google and search for Asia Mag, and then you have to copy a session ID in there and do a session, and you can do 15 sessions. But you have to be aware here that you only earn $0.0008 per session, and it takes a little bit of effort. So it's definitely not high rewards you get, but it is a part of these kind of ads ways of earning on LiteGPT that is more or less specialized in. So in my opinion, this particular earning method is not really worth it, but if you have plenty of time, then you have a way to do these 15 sessions, and then you can earn some extra every day if you have plenty of time to invest in that. You also have this faucet where you can see that you have to roll in. If you get a certain number, you will earn a certain amount of dollars here. So you have to here solve a captcha, and then it comes up here, and I need to click any image that contains a car here, and we try that. So you can see, and then I can claim, and you can then see my number I got, and I earned $0.0012. So it didn't take long, and you can do this once an hour. As you can see now, there is almost an hour until I can do it again. So it doesn't take long, and if you are very lucky, you can of course get higher rewards, but usually you will get one of the lower. So if you're logged in, then this can be worth just quickly doing, so you earn a little bit extra. And if you're lucky, you earn a nice reward. Then you have this short links section, as you can see over here in the menu, where you can click and it says you have to follow the partner instructions. So if you click here, a new ad will pop up, and if I do that, you can see it actually opens in the same screen, and then you just have all kind of different things, pop-up ads, and you get 500 coins. But like, what are the steps? I don't even know here. There are just pop-ups here, and okay, there was the next button, right? And then I click there and a new screen pops up. It's still step 1 of 4, and the other screen here, a new ad popped up here that redirects me somewhere that my virus program actually blocks. So I will just stop this now and try to get back again, because there is no back button, as you can see. That has also been disabled there, or maybe I can get back here somehow. I'll just try to get back, and then I will show you the next ways to earn here, because this one is very spammy in my opinion. As you can see, a lot of weird things pops up here that you don't necessarily want to deal with. There are a few more ways you can earn here on Light GPT, but I think you get the idea that a lot of it has to do with ads that they show, and they get paid for that, and then they share part of that with you. But there are a lot of weird ads popping up, and it can be difficult to navigate, as you can see. So that is the earning methods. You can earn, but it definitely takes some patience. But there is actually a way they offer where you can boost your earnings, and that is by upgrading your membership. So if you go to the membership here and click upgrade section here, you can see different options. You can become an active user or premium user, and then you can see the price for that here and what you would get. So basically what you get is a little bit higher rewards for certain clicks, and also if you refer people, because you can invite people and earn a part of their earnings there, then you will get higher percentages of that. But overall, it is not necessarily worth it, I think, because you need to definitely sit down and carefully calculate. I would start with a free one if you want to join after having watched this review, and try that and see how much can you make, and then carefully plan if you think you can make that money back by upgrading. Because if not, if you just get carried away and think you can earn a lot more by upgrading, you do end up potentially losing money. So carefully calculate and use your earnings from inside here to upgrade, so you do not have to invest any of your own money if you decide that you want to go that route. So another important thing that you need to know is how you can then get your earnings out. And let me also just start by saying you can join Light GPT no matter the country you live in, and the payout methods might vary a little bit depending on the country. But you can see here where I live, they have these different options: per year and PayPal, Bitcoin, etc. I like that they actually offer PayPal as a way that's a very convenient way to get paid in cash, in my opinion. And the payout threshold will depend on your chosen reward. You can see for per year here, the threshold is only 50 cents, which is not a very high one. And then if I choose PayPal, for example, you need to earn $2.50. So the payout threshold is not very high here, and I definitely like that. But the rewards are also quite low, as I've shown you, and it can be quite confusing. So it can still take some patience to be able to actually withdraw your earnings. So overall, Light GPT is a site that gives you access to earning a bit of extra cash on the side. I think that it is great. It has a low payout threshold, and that it is available worldwide, and it has plenty of earning opportunities, but it definitely also has aspects I do not like, and particularly the user friendliness. It's just not good enough in my opinion, because you have these pop-up ads, and as I showed you, sometimes when you do certain of the tasks, you end up in this like blind alley more or less, where you can't get back to Light GPT, and there are just weird ads coming up, and you don't know where to click and where to go back and all this. And this is definitely not great in my opinion. And also the rewards are not very high, so it will take quite a lot of patience to earn on Light GPT compared to many other get paid to sites in my experience. But now you know exactly what it offers and how to use it, and then you can decide for yourself if it is the right option for you or not. And if you want more details, I have even more written on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video, and there you can also find suggestions for get paid to sites that, in my experience, give higher rewards and that are easier to use. So make sure to check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service, get paid to sites, and other ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.